Hello Prasad,
Hello sir,
what you are doing?
I am making a project that has been given from my school. This project name is Earthquake Detector. It
Okay,
helps people to get alert when the earthquake becomes very larger. The first vibration we can't feel it that we are not alerted that the earthquake is coming. So this project helps us to alert and stay alert from the earthquakes and all this massive destruction. It keeps away war, and this helps us to stay alert by this LED system and this buzzer.
okay, good. So, can you explain how it's work?
Yes, I can explain. This circuit is made up of copper wires, and this is the conductive material. This conductive material, this copper wire, when it touches to this conductive material, this makes a negative and positive impact. This impact falls on this LED. This LED is 3 volt, and here is one also LED, which helps us to give warning sign that the earthquake has started. So be warned.
Okay, can you on and explain how it's work?
Yes,
Okay, start.
you can see it from there. When it vibrates,
Okay,
this buzzer is working and this LED light.
okay, I just switch on off the lights,
See how it is working. Here is the
Okay,
alert sign, and in the house, all the people who are living, they would be alert that the earthquake has been started, and we have to get away and run away from this home. Otherwise, we will be.
okay, good. Prasad, can you tell me what is the actual aim of this project?
Its actual theme is to protect people from the vibrations of the earthquake and the massive destruction and the falling buildings. We know that earthquakes falls massive destruction and falls buildings so much that we cannot stop it. The earthquake is a natural disaster. This project helps us to reduce this natural disaster and protects and save by the alarm system and lighting system with the safety management natural disaster management system. It also helps us to warn from the alarm system and lighting system.
Okay, Prasad, can you connect it in a advanced level in a AI system?
Yes, it can be connected with AI system by Arduino system,
Hmm.
which can be sent by the social networking sites, which is responsible by a responsible person WhatsApp number.
Okay, good. But this project is not connected with Arduino, correct?
Yes.
Okay, do it. All the best.
Thank you, sir.